I found treasure. My neighbor Moti asked around if somebody needs old razor blades. Needless to say, I ran to his house but kept it cool and said, "Hi Moti, I understand you want to get rid of some razor blades?" He said, "Yeah, how many do you need?" I said, "As much as you can spare." So he gave me a bag of all these razor blades and this box. Look, it's absolutely amazing. Completely new. What's inside here? More blades. What do I need it for? Let me show you. I need it for my paring machine. This machine is called Brockman paring machine. Unfortunately, I don't think they make these anymore. I bought mine 25-30 years ago. It is very simple to set up. You just need to connect two clamps for it not to move. The leather is pulled between the small anvil here and the fixed blade. By raising the anvil, thin cuts can be made until you achieve the required thickness. The wing nut here helps you change the blades very quickly without the need of an Allen key like other machines. It is an invaluable tool for preparing inlays, onlays, leather labels, and thin leather pieces for repairs. The machine has a large throat to allow inserting big pieces of leather for paring. The only disadvantage is that you cannot adjust the blade to give a feathered edge. But when I'm making feathered edge, I usually use my spoke shave, but that's for another video. So let me show you how it works. I'm putting it on the edge of the table. I'll bring two pieces to connect my clamps. You need it firm so it won't move. I'll take a strip of leather. I want to make sure that the anvil is open enough for the beginning. I'm inserting with a movement backwards and then I run my machine. I'll insert it again. Look, I'm holding my fingers to the anvil so the leather won't be lifted and it would be a consistent thickness all the way. Now I need to work on this side, so I'm inserting with the movement forward and then going backwards. Now I'm lifting the anvil and running it again. Flipping it over, and let's do the beginning here. When you feel the blade is dull, you open the wing nut and change the blade . Let me close it a bit more and see what happens. Yeah, it has some more to go. You repeat the process until you get to the desired thickness. I think I can go a bit more. Let me see. Yeah. Why don't I just adjust the thickness from the beginning to what I want? That is because from my experience, if you take off a lot of material at the beginning, the risk of the leather being teared is much higher. This is a process and you need to have patience to reach your desired thickness. Also, when the blade is dull, then the risk of the leather being teared is much higher. That is why you need to keep on replacing blades, and that is why this treasure of spare blades is so amazing. I have a lifetime supply of blades. I would love to hear your peculiar treasure hunts and finds, so write me in the comments below and also in our Discord server, which I would link in the description. So as always, thank you for being here and for watching, and I will see you in my next video.